In today's video, I'm going to teach you Introduction to Microsoft Excel Beginner's Guide 2026 Easy Guide. Microsoft Excel is one of the most useful tools for working with information. It's a powerful spreadsheet application used to organize, calculate, analyze, and visualize data. Whether you're managing a budget, tracking sales, creating reports, or reviewing business data, Excel gives you a practical way to work more efficiently. To get started, open Microsoft Excel. Once it launches, click Blank Workbook to create a new spreadsheet. This gives you a fresh workspace where you can begin entering data and learning the layout. Before typing anything, take a moment to get familiar with the Excel interface. At the top, you'll see the ribbon, which contains the main commands and tools you'll use. You'll also notice the Quick Access toolbar, where commonly used options can be kept within easy reach. Just below that is the formula bar, which displays or lets you edit the contents of the currently selected cell. The name box shows the reference of the selected cell, such as A1 or D2. The main area of the screen is the worksheet. This is the grid where you enter and work with data. Rows are numbered horizontally, columns are lettered vertically, and each box in the grid is called a cell. A cell is simply the intersection of a row and a column, and that's where your information goes. Now enter a few pieces of data into some cells so you can get comfortable clicking around and typing. For example, you can create a simple table with product, quantity, price, and total. A sample set of data might include laptop with a quantity of 2 and a price of 750, mouse with a quantity of 5 and a price of 20, and keyboard with a quantity of 3 and a price of 35. Once you've entered your data, save your workbook by pressing Ctrl and S. Saving early is a good habit, especially when you're learning. At this point, you've already created and saved your first Excel workbook. Next, let's do your first calculation. Put quantity in column B and price in column C, then select cell D2. In that cell, type equals B2 times C2, then press Enter. Excel will instantly calculate the total. To apply the same formula to the rest of the rows, drag the fill handle down. This automatically calculates totals for the remaining products. As a beginner, focus on core Excel skills like navigating worksheets, entering and editing data using basic formulas such as sum, average, max, and min, formatting cells, creating tables, sorting and filtering data, building basic charts, and saving or printing workbooks. Learning these fundamentals will make advanced tools much easier later on.